Welcome to our channel. If you want to try premium recipe apps, meal planning services, or meal kit delivery through free trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to access services like HelloFresh, Blue Apron, or premium recipe platforms. Step 1. Choose the meal service or recipe platform you're interested in trying, such as meal kit delivery services, online recipe collections, or meal planning apps with premium features. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen service or download their mobile app to find information about current promotional offers and free trial opportunities for new customers. Step 3. Look for promotional banners advertising free trials, first box discounts, or extended trial periods, which are common in the meal kit and recipe service industry to attract new subscribers. Step 4. Click Start Your Trial or Get Your First Box Free to begin registration. For meal kit services, trials often involve steep discounts on your first delivery rather than completely free service. Step 5. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Then complete your profile with dietary preferences, restrictions, household size, and cooking skill level. Step 6. For meal kit services, select your preferred recipes from the available menu for your first delivery. For recipe apps, explore the premium recipe collections and features available during your trial. Step 7. Enter your delivery address and payment information. For meal kits, you'll pay a reduced rate for your first box as part of the trial, while recipe apps typically don't charge until after the trial period. Step 8. Confirm your order or subscription and set a reminder to evaluate the service before the next billing cycle or delivery if you want to modify or cancel your subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.